How's it going, guys? SYGTECH is here. Welcome back for another video. I'm filming with the new DJI Action 6, by the way, and also stay tuned because I'm gonna do comparison with the Action 5 Pro, which I have here. By the way, last night I did a video about the Action 6 and Action 5. Quick video. It's a low light video with the Action 6 and Action 5. But today's video is different. It's a quick video about the product that I received nearly a month ago about STARTRC. STARTRC doesn't know that I'm making today's video. The reason I'm making this video is because the products are great, plus there is a Black Friday sale. Let me show you all the products, guys, that I received from the STARTRC. So nearly a month ago, when I bought my DJI Mini 5 Pro, I bought it. They reached out. Before I bought my Mini 5 Pro, they said, "Hey, Stefan, are you planning to buy any drones this year? Any action cameras?" And actually, they was spot on with the guess. I said to them, I'm gonna buy the Mini 5 Pro, also the Action 6, and they said, it's okay to send you some products to review. I said, yeah, no problem. So that's why I'm making this video. I already did 3 separate videos about the case. This thing is fantastic. It's a waterproof case. It's a hard case if you want to protect your DJI Mini 5 Pro. As you can see, 3 batteries. You can put all the batteries. This is the Fly Mode combo case. Your hub, you can put some cables here. RC-N3, RC2 controller. You can put your ND filters, but as a matter of fact, they sent ND filters as well for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. So they sent CPO filter, which is great. ND16, ND64. Also, they sent another product, which is the helipad, which is great because you can use it on both sides, as you can see. And yeah, just check STARTRC, guys, for some cool accessories for the DJI Mini 5 Pro, for action cameras. So it's a just quick video just to share with you guys. Again, I'm not sponsored by STARTRC. I didn't get any compensations, any money, affiliate links, just a quick video. It's a Black Friday, so if you're looking for some accessories for your drone, for your action camera, check STARTRC, guys. So if you have any questions, yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned because after this video, I'm gonna do another video with the Action 6, which I'm filming right now, with the Action 5. So yeah, pretty cool camera. Both cameras are nice. So there we have it, guys. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.